How to fix Instagram try again later easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. When you go to the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is go to the Instagram, click on this option and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go back again, click on the power usage details and go to the power consumption alert, disable it and enable it, and then click on this data usage right here and disable the background data and the roaming data like this, and enable only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. And now you have to open the Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure to update it into the latest version from here. And you can do the same thing on the App Store in iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.